model, 68-plate Ford Transit 350 Metallic Blue 2.0 TDCI wet belt failure no VAT bargain 55k miles. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 55,620. MOT, the 13th of March 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner, timing belt has snapped. Straightforward simple repair if you know what you're doing. Absolute bargain. What a lovely well-spec'd transit van. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, air-con, parking sensors, electric windows, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, 9,190.